Chucky, are you a little pyro? Huh? Are you a little pyro, Chuck? You just want to get that fire, huh? Look at that tail go. Chucky, you're a pyro. Pyro dog. You like that fire, Chuck? Whoa, look at that fire, Chuck. Look at that fire. See you, Bean. Hey, Chuck. Are you going to stop staring at the fire, Chuck? You really like that fire, huh, Chuck, don't you? Chuck, look at the camera. What do you want to do with the fire, huh? Now you want to go outside? Come here, Chuck. Fire. Fire. Chucky, fire.